Welcome back. Okay, I'm continuing with this course in regards to electrical technology. Okay, and again, you can quite clearly see it is level 2. Now, the 2330 number no longer applies. Okay, so please bear that in mind. Okay. Now again, bear in mind the units what we're looking at and what we're undertaking to look at. Okay, let me just go back a little bit to remind myself as well. Sizing of trunking. Now you're looking here at sizing of trunking, and trunking don't just happen. Okay, it actually has to be sized so that you get the right spacing factor. Okay, that is important when you put running cables into trunking or conduit or any type of duct, that you apply the correct spacing factor. Okay, so please do not forget that. Okay. Now read the information, look at what is expected of you, okay? What you should be able to know. Do additional research. Okay? Read some of the textbooks, look at your on-site guide, because I provide you with a lot of information. Read the new IEE regs, okay? That will bring you up to date. Remember that was issued in January the 1st, 2019. Okay? So again, make sure you are familiar with those. Okay. Now this is self-explanatory. I don't need to be doing a lot of talking here. Okay, so you simply need to extract information. Now remember to draw out diagrams. Okay, it enables your understanding and improve your knowledge. Do additional research to improve your knowledge. Okay, now remember again, knowledge is power. You can't beat that. Now here, this explains to you the reason for eddy currents and how to prevent it. Now remember, eddy currents is dangerous. It generates heat, okay? And wherever there is heat, it will cause damage to cables. It is in your interest to ensure that this doesn't happen, okay? You as the electrician has that responsibility. Okay, thank you. I trust you will find this information useful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.